Today we will design creative manipulated advertisement for social media. If you need PSD file, comment below and send me an email. I will give you Google Drive download link. Let's start. To start from file to new, create a 180 by 180 pixel blank document. Take ruler if needed. Now create a circle using ellipse tool. Now right click, go to blending option, then create a gradient color as shown. Now change the style linear to radial. Now import the juice bottle and place like this. I am using level for color correction. Now hold Alt key and drag the bottle layer to copy. Import mango image and resize it. Import eyes and place like this. Now import juice splash and resize it. Now I am using a special brush to create a ice powder on floor. Now let's add some lips randomly. Import mango slice and place like this. Adding brand logo. Also available on Amazon. Now add website address. We are done.